Do you feel like you're always chasing money, as if it slips through your fingers every time you try to hold on to it? Every month, you promise yourself you'll get organized. But before you know it, your paycheck is gone. And you don't even know how. Is the real problem that you don't earn enough? Or are you spending poorly without realizing it? In this video, you're going to find out exactly where the real bottleneck in your money lies, using simple tools, practical numbers, and a method that works even for people with a regular income. You'll leave here with a clear diagnosis and a realistic action plan to change your financial situation. So stick with me until the end, because this could be the turning point you've been needing. Most people who are constantly broke don't realize they're trapped in an invisible cycle. A cycle that begins when the paycheck hits, followed by the excitement of a new month, small daily expenses, hitting the credit card limit, dipping into the overdraft, and ending with that familiar feeling of, how did this happen again? It repeats month after month. And the scariest part, even when income goes up, the problem doesn't go away. Why? Because the problem isn't just how much you make. It's how you manage what you have. It's like a leaky bucket. There's no point in filling it if everything is spilling out. And that's exactly what we're going to fix. We'll patch the leaks, identify the excesses, and build a stronger foundation for your financial life. All with clear numbers, no guesswork. The first tool is the Suffocation Index. This number will show you in just a few seconds whether your problem is structural, if your fixed expenses are choking your income. The calculation is simple. Add up all your fixed costs: rent, water, electricity, internet, cell phone plan, kids' school, transportation, debt payments. Then divide that by your average monthly income. The result will be a percentage. For example, if you earn an average of $5,000 and your fixed expenses total $4,000, your Suffocation Index is 80%. That's extremely high. Ideally, it should be up to 50%. Between 51 and 70%, you can still breathe. Beyond that, you're constantly under pressure. Most people don't even know they're living like this. They just feel the weight. But now you know, and that changes everything. Knowing your Suffocation Index reveals whether your problem is too many obligations, and it gives you a concrete number to target for relief. The second tool is the leakage map. This one helps you identify the small holes in your budget that drain your money without you noticing. These aren't fixed expenses, but they repeat every month and don't bring real value. You know those streaming subscriptions you don't even use anymore? The near-daily food delivery? That $9 coffee at the bakery every morning? That editing app you subscribed to 6 months ago and forgot? It all seems small, but when you add it up, it becomes a serious leak. Here's a practical challenge. Pull out your last 30 days of bank statements and highlight every expense you made impulsively, out of habit, or without thinking. You'll be shocked by the total. Most people fall between $400 and $700 a month. That's over $8,000 a year going out without a plan. Plugging leaks is like shutting the windows in an air-conditioned house. You feel the relief immediately. And it's the fastest way to start making your money last longer. Now let's build your action plan in 3 simple steps, something you can start doing today. First step, plug the leaks immediately. List all unnecessary subscriptions, reduce delivery orders, and set a spending cap for snacks, impulses, and small rewards. This alone will give you financial relief in less than 15 days. Second step, reduce the suffocating fixed expenses. Renegotiate your debts, switch to cheaper plans, and reevaluate what's really essential. Maybe it's worth switching your phone carrier, canceling a club membership, or moving out of that expensive rental. Every fixed cost you cut has a direct impact on your Suffocation Index. Third step, stabilize your variable income using your average. Use the good months to build a reserve, and always live below your average, not above it. That's the only way to maintain your financial sanity in an uncertain scenario. These 3 steps, applied consistently, have already transformed the lives of thousands of people. Now it's your turn. And to wrap up, let me ask you again, are you really broke, or were you just lost in how you manage your money? Now you have clarity. You know how to calculate, where to cut, and how to organize. And more importantly, you know that change is possible. It's all about taking action. If this video helped you understand your financial reality more clearly, hit that like button and share it with someone who also needs to figure out where their money is going. And tell me in the comments, what's your Suffocation Index? Let's talk about it. In the next video, I'll show you how to build an emergency fund, even if you earn little or your income is unstable. Because money is a tool. And starting today, you are the one who's going to learn how to use that tool the right way.